Welcome to Mechanic. Today we have a 2014 Mini Cooper here, and we're going to go over the process to be able to open up your front hood. So first we'll need to be able to get into the vehicle and then be able to pull the release lever in there and then come back around here to where we can raise and unlock the hood so that we can get into the engine bay. So we're over here at the front left door, the driver's door, and we have our key fob, say that the battery is dead in the key fob and or the 12-volt battery is dead in the vehicle. We have the little manual key here, and this is just a quick push that little tab and then that, and that way you can put that in there, turn it toward the front, so counterclockwise, and that will unlock the door, and then being able to open the door. And then once your door is open, you're going to reach down here and you're going to pull this lever. And that is what pulls this cable to open up the front hatch on the vehicle. So now we'll go around front and open up the hood. All right, so coming out in front of the hood here, and we're going to raise it up. And a lot of times your little release lever will be right here below the emblem. This one is over here on this side. So you're looking more on this side. You're going to reach in there and you're going to press to unlock. So over here, this one has the stripe. So it's just on the inside of the stripe here. But you're going to go and you just press it up and that unlocks the lever that latches right here. And then you'll be able to raise your hood up so that you can get full access to your engine bay to be able to do work on your engine. Thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.